All right, here we go. Yeah. What? For more than a decade, people from around the world have been drawn to the platform known as YouTube, trying to come up with catchy titles and thumbnails to entice viewers to watch their videos. But why would you do this? Why would you put yourself on the internet? Why would you make videos just like I'm doing now and post them for the world to see? Well, the answer is pretty simple. What if I told you that thousands of people from around the world use their videos to generate a stream of income? That's right, people post videos and then get paid in return. People like Mr. Beast make millions of dollars every month by creating and posting YouTube videos. But the thing is, you don't need to be a celebrity or have millions of subscribers to do this. You just gotta create a video that captures an audience and goes viral. It's crazy to think that while there are people slaving away at their 9-to-5 jobs every single day to make a living, there are also thousands of people traveling the world or living a luxurious, stress-free life just by posting a few videos of their lives to their YouTube channel every month. Well, isn't that the dream? What is up, guys? Welcome to Beyond Borders. My name is James. If you are new to this channel, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so that you stay up to date with all of our latest content. So 6 months ago, Sune and I started a YouTube channel to see if we could create an additional stream of income. The thing is, most individuals are either too shy or scared of the thought of speaking in front of a camera. I mean, who wants to film themselves and then post it for the world to see? Not a lot of people have the confidence to do it. Many thoughts go through your head. What will my family think? What will my friends think? What will my colleagues think? The hardest part of starting a YouTube channel is just gaining the confidence to film your first video. But the thing is, once you get started, it's not as simple as just filming a video and getting paid. No, it's actually more than that. There are certain requirements that your channel has to meet in order to join the YouTube Partner Program. But what is YouTube's Partner Program? Well, the YouTube Partner Program gives creators greater access to YouTube resources and allows monetization features that allow people to monetize their videos by allowing YouTube to advertise on your channel. But the thing is, in order to join this eligibility program, you have to meet the eligibility criteria, which means that you got to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and have over 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel. And because of this, over 90% of all YouTube videos fail. Most people give up because they see this as an unattainable goal. On average, it takes 15.5 months to hit the 1,000 subscriber mark and just over 50 videos to get to the magic number of 4,000 watched hours. Most people give up way before this, and because of that, they fail and stop posting videos. 6 months ago, we decided to start a YouTube channel and started posting our travel adventures. We were moving to Germany, so we thought that this would be the perfect opportunity to start a channel and start documenting our travels in the hope of becoming successful content creators. Although we started the channel in 2018, when we created our Gmail address, we only officially started posting videos to our channel in March of 2023. We honestly thought, what do we have to lose? We'd been thinking about it for so long, why not just give it a shot? If we aren't successful, at least we have some cool videos to show our kids one day of their mom and dad. But we also thought, let's make a few videos so we can show our friends and family back home. That way they feel closer to us. So with the smartphone in hand, we kicked off our first video in March of 2023 by introducing ourselves and what we wanted to do on this channel. And since then have posted 26 videos and over 100 shorts to our channel. During this time, we have managed to rack up a whopping 2,300 subscribers and over 4,400 hours of watch time. It took us just under 6 months to meet the eligibility criteria, And just by achieving this milestone alone ranks us in the top 10% of YouTube's channels globally. But the burning question is, how much money did we make? How much did we get paid for our first month of being part of the YouTube Partner Program? Many small creators out there want to know, what can I make? How much money can I earn if I get monetized? I know we personally would have loved to know what our earning potential could be. Who doesn't want to earn a bit of extra cash on the side? So to provide you with a precise overview of our earnings in the first month after monetization, we believe that the most effective approach would be to produce a video demonstrating the actual income we generated on the platform last month. Alright, so we are now in the Beyond Borders YouTube studio, and we are now going to take a look at how our channel has performed over the past month. So to give you guys context, we got monetized at the end of August, end of last month, and this is our very first full month being on the YouTube Partner Program, and it's our first month where we are able to see how much money our YouTube channel has started to make. So as you can see, in the first 28 days, we have racked up a total of 46,331 views, and during this time have accumulated 589 hours of watch time. We've increased our subscriber count by 61 people, and we have made a whopping $15.01. That is how much money we have made in our very first month on this channel. So not a lot of money, but it's our first month and it's a start. So let's go and take a look and see a bit more into where our views have come from. So as you can see, the majority of our views are actually from YouTube shorts that we've posted, and these don't really make a lot of money. I mean, we're getting 11,000, 3,000, 3,000 views, and as you can see, it's about 76 cents over here on for this video, 27 cents, 21 cents, 24 cents. So not really a lot of money from the YouTube shorts itself. But if we go and take a look in the watch time, we can see that the majority of the videos that has accumulated our watch time has been our long videos that we have posted of our various travel trips around the globe. So as you can see, these videos perform a lot more better in terms of monetization and how much revenue they generate. So our top performing video is actually a video of our first impression of Prague that made $2.95, and that was only from 724 views. So you can imagine how much money this video would have made if we actually posted it and we were already monetized, or if this video goes viral and gets 100,000 views. You could literally times that out and you can do the sums of how much money this could actually make. But all of our videos on average are making about $1 per video over the past 28 days, which is not too bad considering that we only started this channel in March. We've gained 61 subscribers, and these subscribers have mainly been from, by the looks of it, our YouTube shorts. So these are where we've gained our subscribers over the past month, YouTube shorts. If we go into the estimated revenue, it basically shows you over the past month how much money we've made and the top performing content, which has been our shorts as well as our videos. And if we go into that over there, we can actually see that this is how much money we've made, $15.01, and these are our top performers in terms of the videos and how much money they have made. So as you can see, out of all the videos that we have created, the YouTube Shorts video ranks number 7th in its ability to create income. Majority of them, the income that has been generated, revenue is streamed through from the long haul videos that we have created. So I hope that gives you a good comparison and a good idea of what your earning potential could be in your very first month on YouTube. So as you can see, we didn't really make a lot of money. But the thing is, everyone has to start somewhere, and at least we've started. So if you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed the in-depth review of our YouTube channel and how far we've come thus far, please throw us a thumbs up. to help the algorithm, and subscribe to our channel so that you stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Until next time, beyond borders, over and out.